Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning page number 60 of Usmani Mus'haf, and it's starting from ayah number 78 of Surah Al-Imran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وَإِنَّ مِنْهُمْ لَفَرِيقًا يَلْوُونَ أَلْسِنَتَهُمْ for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. In Hamza is very sharp. For kasra, give e sound attached with noon. Noon will take gunna akmal. So you are giving a very long gunna over here. Keep the sound in your nose for a long time. Gunna, what gunna is? Keeping the sound in your nose. So in, this is gunna, but fatha is very short. Na, wa in, Hamza is sharp. The sound of Hamza should be there, and for kasra give e sound e. In, na, min. For kasra give e sound. Don't miss that e sound in kasra and attach with noon. There is idhar. The rule is izhar, and sifa is tawassut. And tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Don't stop noon abruptly. Min, hum. Again, meme will get tawassut as long as noon got it. So the same tawassut should be here on noon and same on meme. The lengths of these tawassut should be same. Minhum, la short. Fa, hums in fa always. If fa fits fatha, dhamma, kasra, sukoon, any shape, any time, any type, this fa will get hums, and hums is a flow of breaths. This sound should be there. La, fari, ri is 2 counts long. Qai, this is idgham with gunna. Idgham with gunna. So you're keeping the sound in your nose very nicely and for a long time. And then lam will get tawassut. Yel. So when you are applying these sifat, so the length should be in one qira'ah, the length should be in a same length. The length should be same. The time you're giving on tawassut, the time you're giving on rakhawa or anything else, those should be equal. All tawassut should be equal. All rakhawa should be equal. Yel, woo, circle your lips for vowels. For dhammas, circle your lips. Woo, and this is 2 counts long. Woo, na is short. Al, Hamza is very sharp. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with lam. Again, lam will get tawassut. And this tawassut should be the length of this lam, this meme, and this noon. So all tawassut should be in a same length. Al, si, for kasra give e sound. Na, short. Ta, short. Al, si, na, ta, hum, for dhamma, circle your lips. And there is ikhfa, iqlab. No, ikhfa shafawi. This is ikhfa shafawi because after meme you are having this ba, letter ba. So ikhfa shafawi, you are hiding sound of meme into ba. Hum, al-sinatahum, and the gunna should be long here too. Hum, il, for kasra give e sound, attached with lam will get tawassut. So what sign should I give here? Ikhfa, yeah, but it's a shafawi one. Shafawi, like in your lips, okay? Hum, pil, for lam, tawassut, ki, kaf have no hums here. because this is mutaharika. This is with fatha, damma, kasra. Then kaf will not get humps. Ki, ta, ta, no humps. And it is 2 counts long. The sound is very sharp and very clear. Ta, bi, for kasra give e sound. Li, short. Ta, for fatha open your jaws, attach with ha. Ha will get rokhawa, and there should be a nice misty sound of ha. Li, ta, sa, so we'll get yeah, there should be a whistle sound, and for fatha open your jaws, the sound is very short. S, woo, woo is 2 counts long. Make sure you circle your lips very well. Hu, this is short sound, and circle your lips very well. Me, for kasra give e sound. Don't miss that e sound in every kasra. Me, nal, for fatha open your jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get the wasut. And this tawassut should be as long as all those tawassut you did. Ki, ta, ta, ta should be very sharp and strong, and it is 2 counts long. B, again, for kasra give e sound, the sound is very short here. No long vowel is making it long. So this should be short. B, wa, for wow. Fatha, open your jaws. And wow, circle your lips. Wa, the sound is short. Ma, 2 counts long. Hu, or dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. Hu, wa, wa is short. For fatha, open your jaws. And for wow, circle your lips. Hu, wa, ni, for kasra, give e sound. Nal, for fatha, open your jaws. Attach with lam. Lam will get the wasats. Kitabi, wa, ya, ya, ya. Yes, the makhraj of ya is lifting your tongue, middle of your tongue towards the upper palate, but the tongue is not touching on the palate. That's why the sound is very soft. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, off is heavy, and it's 2 counts long here. Ooh, loo, 2 counts long. Make sure you circle your lips very well for every dhamma. You cannot miss that part. Otherwise, the dhamma will not get its haq. Hu, lu, na. Na is short. Hu, wa, min. For kasra, give e sound. Attached with noon. Noon will get the wasud because this is idhar. So the rule is idhar, but the sifa is tawassut. Min, ain, for kasra give e sound, and ain should be from your throat. And it is ikhfa, and do you know that ikhfa is actually gunna? So you are keeping sound in your nose very well. You're not pronouncing noon with your tongue, but keeping the sound in your nose and going towards the makhraj of dal. Dil, for again, for kasra give e sound, dil. And here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name will be light because there is kasra behind it. Dilla, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is long by default. It's always long. It's long, 2 counts long. Dillahi, for kasra give e sound. Wa, ma, huwa, min, in, dillahi, huwa, ya, make sure you make qaf heavy. It's very heavy combination to make qaf heavy here. Lu, na, ain from your throat. The sound is short. For fatha, open your jaws. This lam is light, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, as you will touch Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, that will be heavy because there is fatha behind it. Whenever there is dhamma or fatha, zabar or pesh before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name will be heavy. So here it is heavy because you find fatha. Go, 2 counts long. Heel, for kasra give e sound, attached with lam. Lam will get tawassut. And tawassut is a flow of sound, a medium flow of sound, not too long, not too short. Heel, ka, ka. is very clear sound, no harms whatsoever. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Ka, the, ba, wa, hum. For dhamma, circle your lips, attach with meme. Meme will get tawassut. And tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Wa, hum. Yeah. For fatha, for ya, the sound of ya is very soft. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with the ain. Ain will get tawassut, and ain should be from your throat. And the sound of ain shouldn't fluctuate while you are giving tawassut. Make sure it should be in a one rhythm. Yeah, yeah. No jerk, no hump, no fluctuation. It should be in a one smooth sound. Yeah. La, moon. Circle your lips very well. Make it 4 counts long, and when you are making noon with sukoon because of waqf, you are giving tawassut. وَإِنَّ مِنْهُمْ لَفَرِيقًا يَلْوُونَ أَلْسِنَتَهُمْ بِالْكِتَابِ لِتَحْسَبُوهُ مِنَ الْكِتَابِ وَمَا هُوَ مِنَ الْكِتَابِ ويقولون هو من عند الله وما هو من عند الله ويقولون على الله الكذب وهم يعلمون. Ma is 2 counts long. Ka is 2 counts long. Kaf has no hums here. Very clear sound. Ka, na is short. Li, for kasra give E sound. The sound is very short. Ba, short. Sha, short. Li, ba, sha. Rin, for kasra give E sound. There is tawassut because the rule is idhar here. Li, ba, sha, rin, re, say re first and then give a sound of noon. You can write it like this. This is like this, actually. And you're giving tawassut here on this noon. Rin. So give E sound here and then give tawassut here. Rin, rin, li, ba, sha, rin. Ain, idgham with gunna. Ain, for when we attach any letter with hamza, hamza will show its sifa, and that is shidda. So you will cut off the sound there and then. You, ti, short. Yeah, very soft. No ja sound here. You are lifting the tongue, middle part of your tongue towards your palate, but you are not touching it. That's why the sound of ya is very soft. Ti, yeah, cool. For dhamma, circle your lips. And make sure you pronounce ha too, because sometimes we are giving dhamma, we are pronouncing pesh, but we are not pronouncing ha. So you are pronouncing the makhraj and the haraka. Hu, la, 2 counts long and heavy because there is dhamma before it. Hul, Islam will be light, and this ha is very short. Make sure you circle your lips, but as soon as you will touch lam, it will get tawassut and your lips will be in a straight position. Hul, ki, ta, ba, short, wal, lam, tawassut. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with lam. Lam will get tawassut. Tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Well, hook. There should be a misty sound in ha. For dhamma, circle your lips. For pesh, you circle your lips. Attach with kaf, and kaf will get sifa of tawassut. Sorry. Hook, hook, ma. And kaf will, kaf will not get tawassut. There is hums. Sorry. I'm so sorry. There's hums. Whenever kaf is with the sukoon, it gets hums. Hook, hook, ma is short. Wa, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Attach with noon. Noon will get akmal gunna. And akmal gunna is a very long gunna. Keep sound in your nose for a longer time. One, this is gunna, and dhamma is very short. No, short. But you're circling your lips very well for dhamma, even though it's short, but you have to circle your lips very well. No, boo. Ba with dhamma, circle your lips well. As soon as you will touch wow, you will give number. And number is a jump of sound. Why we are giving number over here? Because wow and ya, letter wow and letter ya with tashdid are always getting number. Always. So woo. And then for ta, wa, short. Boo. Number is activated when ba is attached with wow. Boo. This is number. And then fatha is short. Wa, ta. Ta is very sharp and short. Fatha. Open your jaws. Thumma for tha. Dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with meme. Meme will get sifa of gunna, and that is akmal. Very nice gunna and very long gunna, and gunna is keeping the sound in your nose. Tum. This is gunna, and fatha, very short. Ma. Yeah. Yeah, is very soft letter. Don't make that use sound here. Fatha, for fatha, open your jaws. Here. Two, off. Make it heavy nicely. And this is 2 counts long. And for dhamma, circle your lips very well. Two, la, la. For fatha, open your jaws. Lam is very short. Lean. For kasra, give E sound attached with noon. And give a nice gunna, because this is akmal gunna, the longest gunna in Quran. So, lean. And for fatha, open your jaws, and this is 2 counts long too. Mud letter na, si. For kasra, give E sound. Ku, 2 counts long. No, 2 counts long. Make sure you circle your lips very well, very nicely. Ku, no. I, for kasra, give E sound. Ain should be from your throat. The sound is very short. Ba, 2 counts long. I, ba, del. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with lam. This is idgham without gunna. So you're not keeping sound in your nose at all. Del, li, 2 counts long. This dal with fatha will be directly attached with lam, del, and then li is 2 counts long. Mia, this is ikhfa. And you know that the main part of ikhfa is gunna. Some scholars call ikhfa gunna too, because this is so important part of gunna to keep the sound in your nose. And next coming up letter is dal. So what you are doing in ikhfa here, you are not pronouncing noon with your tongue. You're keeping the sound in your nose for a long time, and you are going towards the makhraj of dal. Meh. So dal is light, so you keep the sound tongue very straight. It shouldn't be lifted up, because the dal is light letter. Nil, do, 2 counts long. Nil, for kasra, give E sound attached with lam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name will be light here, because there is kasra before it, and that is long too. Nila. He is short. Wa. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Wa. La. 2 counts long. King. Yeah, this is ikhfa. You're keeping the sound in your nose very nicely. There is no doubt. But how you're creating the sound of you're going towards the makhraj of kaf. This ikhfa is just like you're about to say ink. So wala king ku 2 counts long. No, 2 counts long. Make sure you circle your lips very well for both of the long vowels. Ra, ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is always heavy. It is attached with ba. Wa, ba, 2 counts long. Ni, no, for kasra, give e sound for noon. As you will attach it with ya, it will get nabar. Why? Because letter waw and ya, whenever they are with tasdeed, you are giving them nabar, and number is a jump of sound. When you are attaching noon with ya, this is the place where you will create nabar. Listen how we do it. Ni, ni. And the sound of ya will still very soft. There will be no sound in noon. Yeah, no, not at all. Ni, yi is 2 counts long. After that, na short. B for kasra, give e sound. Ma 2 counts long. Kum ikhfa, and that is with ghunna surely. Kum tum tawassut. So the wasat will be shorter than ikhfa because the gunna over here is longer. Kuntum, tu for ta should be very clear sound, and for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. Tu, al, ain from your throat attached with lam. For kasra, give e sound. Ali, mu 2 counts long. Nel. Noon is attached with lam. Lam will get tawassut. Tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Nal, ki. For kasra, give e sound. Ta 2 counts long. Ba, wa, bi. For kasra, give e sound. Ma 2 counts long. Kum for kaf. Dhamma, circle your lips. And there is ikhfa, and the ikhfa is light, so you'll keep this tongue straight, and you are keeping the sound in your nose and going towards the makhraj of ta. Kuntum. And there's the wasut in me on meme. Tad. Ta is very strong sound attached with dal. Dal will get qalqala because qutubu jaddina, the letters, whenever they are with sukoon, will get qalqala, and qalqala is taba'ud. You are opening the the makhraj after giving them a shidda. Yeah, so that is taba'ud, and that is qalqala. Tad, uru, for the circle your lips. The sound is very short, but it is heavy. Whenever ra is with dhamma or fatha, it's always heavy. Uru. So how you make any letter heavy? By lifting your tongue up. Su will be 4 counts long, and noon will get tawassut. تدرسون ما كان لبشر أن يؤتيه الله الكتاب والحكم والنبوة ثم يقول للناس كونوا عبادا لي من دون الله ولكن كونوا ربانيين بما كنتم كنتم تعلمون الكتاب وبما كنتم تدرسون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك، أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت، أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون، وسلام على المرسلين، والحمد لله.